do be sucky as of late, so here's some underrated joys to, help you not wanna... That feeling when you cook a meal for others and they go like, oh fuck yeah, that is so good, can I have the recipe? And then like even better, they make that recipe and they're like, I can't get it as good as you make it. That feels so good. This one might be a little bit more niche, but like when you have long hair and they get stuck between your butt cheeks and like you can't get it out and it hurts real bad, but then when you finally get to the moment when you just pull it out, bitch. That is satisfaction on a whole other level. How about the feeling when you shave your legs and moisturize them and then you climb into bed and it's like all smooth and nice, and that feeling of your blanket touching your legs? Oh bitch. Now that is a thing of beauty. Or gamer edition, when you pull off a really sick play, like for me when I play Ana in Overwatch and I sleep someone and they fall right down the cliff and die. Oh, that's so good. Like when you've been starving for the better part of a day and you finally get to have something in your mouth. Oh, bitch. These may not be revolutionary things by any means, but any bit helps. Sometimes it really is the small things that can get you going. Let me know if you want more of these little joys in another video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.